Oh, well, now you're at Ycee the Inside Studio here with us right now.
Yes,
For the music edition of Workchop on top Naija FM 102.7. Welcome, Ycee. Of course.
You don't say.
Yeah, you don't take.
You don't say where you do.
Now this na COVID first hold me last year. But this
COVID
year,
catch you.
No, you no catch me. Like the whole.
A blog, like you hold everybody, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you come like say quiet for a very long time. After that, you got the low key.
That's the look. I mean, they work on so many things. You know, the way the entertainment industry just take change with this whole pandemic thing. You know, everybody just guys go back drawing board, find the way with them fit, make the most of waiting there at their disposal. So, you know, me, I just take 2 steps back, just watch waiting everybody they do, use and plan my own movement.
And then once in a while, you go your tweet one thing.
See that Twitter? I mean, I don't even calm down since they don't see me. They use VPN as federal government don't. They no hungry for Mr. Jack now.
But since Baba announced it October 1st, say he don't tell them they come out after they meet all the requirements. I think put that clause now say this one the struggle continues. So you understand that kind of thing. Okay, so but right now you don't drop new jam and this new jam now. What more? But we even talk about the new jam like this where you just drop and you know say normally if artists drop new jam like this, but there sometimes if you just say they just want remind people say then see day or another time people say project they come for but first talk about Auntie Lovina. Tell us about Auntie Lovina. Who she be?
Napato you go ask. Napato introduce me to Auntie Lovina.
What did she do you now?
I'm a nice babe, very nice auntie like this. You know, say these days now to avoid Timini matters.
Yes.
Are they at Timini matters?
Timini matters, exactly.
What be the Timini matters?
You know Timini matters.
I know.
So with me, I like go for older women at least. You know, sometimes not be all the time, but yeah, you know the jam now. That jam will be say I've been linked up with Pato because I've been to work on my project before it dropped that time. So I can't link Pato now. I can't play on some jams. So based on the vibe of my own project now, you know, Afrobeat, R&B, soft music. But part of the streets like this, so part of now during that bullet period. So I think here I'm now he can advise me say, you know, as much as I won't follow this direction for my EP, say, make I not forget streets and cross. You know, we guys get one banger inside.
Okay.
So he can play me the Auntie Lovina. I see me hear him now say, homo. Even if I no get better here, I no go pass up this.
No go pass up this
for this jam. So you know we work together and now we drop them. I think like 2, 3. Don't they go like 2 weeks now?
So originally the beats the song na Pato been get originally.
He just record like only chorus on top.
Okay.
You know, so he never even been finished the chorus. So as we just did, I just vibe together. I can't see I wait till the even voice on top. They enter well. I can't say okay, Pato, you could give me this one like this. You can't give me because Pato na my guy.
So now he just kind of. So now you drop. I remember saying the song drop. I think the song for me that you know that our last NYC concert when we did date itself. Now like 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. Don't it's like now the 3rd week be this.
Yeah.
Now the 3rd week. This Friday now go make and the 3rd Friday. Yeah. This Friday now go make and the 3rd Friday when the thing don't drop. So so who producer and Pato producer?
Now one of Pato producer.
One of the producer and producer. Okay.
City.
Okay.
Now wild guy, sabi it is where they do on top beat. I don't know as it take where he learn them from or whether they follow them, they create the software.
Yeah.
Where then they use.
They go still send one message now to us. You know the message. They say, man, I tell Ycee may speak out to. So if you like say
my voice
like this corner small.
Make I use my big man voice. This voice they okay like this.
Exactly, they okay like this.
Is this voice okay?
Yeah. So you been talk about one project where you been the work on before.
Yeah, Love
Tell
Drunk.
us about
the project don't drop. Now Love Drunk.
When it drop?
It drop Friday.
This Friday we just passed.
Yeah, Friday.
Love Drunk.
Yeah.
How many na EP?
Na EP, 7 tracks.
7 tracks, okay. Tell us about the entire body of work for the EP and then why it titled and Love Drunk.
Because me I did drunk with love.
Love from who?
Love for who or for
Love for who? Or
for the old Nigerians
no.
or for one person.
Nigerians love themselves.
And that's why maybe if you decide to you won't love this country people and they don't love
One
themselves.
love, keep us together.
Okay, so
the EP now something what I've been doing. No laugh me, but I've been day one relationship with this sweet where everything they go nice. I even say like this, make I go the prize ring. Make I just propose like this, make I start to the share wedding invitation. I ain't as God will have it now. It be like things not gonna work out. And that relationship, I really did enjoy them. So as things don't work out now, I just did very down. I did in a state of heartbreak. So anytime where anything like that don't do me. Any small thing will do me. If I wound for leg, I'll go studio, go sing. If I did get headache, I'll go studio, go sing.
all because all of them start from the love we break.
All of them. So as that one just knock me, heartbreak, they do me. I say, now to enter studio, anyhow with the ginger be, we go they record them. So because of what I did mentally that period now, most of the songs that they sing, just they get to do with heartbreak, just they get to do with sweet love, everything we just they do me that time. So by like time I don't do like 6 sessions, I don't say okay, now the direction with this EP they take be this. So I can't Kokuma just reason with my team. We just find way we could take package everything, Love drunk.
Love drunk.
What did make that love drunk spoil?
Many things. So
Now your fault.
initially na my fault too, but we can't get past the point where na my fault. The other person self can't get fault because me I don't already bring one fault.
So your fault now can't spoil the other fault.
My fault can't say Ojoro the cows.
It be like Bible will say a little living at the old bread.
Wait first. Now scripture you quote now. Don't leave me challenge. I been a rhyme.
Well, it all join. Now Bible there say a little living at the old bread.
That na say yeast, small yeast. Where you go put for inside the bread? Now they increase the bread, make the bread rise.
Now he first find trouble. So when he can't get over your trouble, when she can't try to handle her own trouble, she can't cause another trouble. Now because this trouble don't do you more just
one trouble can't lead to another one.
That's it. But me I don't learn my lesson. So moving forward, I pledge to do better.
Okay.
So
Good.
just in case my future wife they listen now.
Which kind of pledge?
I bet come find me.
You do the kind of pledge of when they take swear out of office, put on for Bible. I swear to
from my heart.
You've touched your heart.
I
Very,
Touch my
very.
heart. I did very
I
serious.
pledge to.
Because I don't the old. And I just almost all my secondary school mates don't marry.
I get children.
I swear, everybody don't the born. People come they ask me, say, why is you never born? I say I never born. No. So,
Because like me now, what I want as you don't pledge now, put your heart, pledge say we go get good love and all those. And they want make our leaders, administrators, if they want take oaths, when they push their heart. So I say
our leaders had
no, when they touch their chest, say I pledge not to steal the money. If I steal it, let heart attack kill me.
confirm.
You understand that kind of thing? Come old Ogun or something. Swear.
They guys swear on anything.
You go see where those people see money like this for left, they go right.
But it go shock you.
You go shock you. Some stubborn
Nigerian
ones
politicians, they don't old now. So even if they die,
if they can't afford,
spoil.
if they die, the younger ones go learn. They go like life too. You understand?
Me, I dey even fear the younger ones past the people with they now.
Seriously.
Why they fear them?
Younger ones with they now. Waiting that they even use their own IC without power. Can't imagine when power come enter their hand.
I understand. This song, Until Loving Her, they inside the EP, right?
Yeah, it did the EP.
So apart from Pato, where did this Until Loving Her with you? Any other person did the EP or not just you? The rest
No,
of
me.
the six
Then
songs?
you get one of my guy where I feature. The guy na winch. The guy they sing, he rap sometimes, he produce, he do many things. Now he produce Jagaban for me.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah, so me and him, we done the work very well for a long period of time. So I just reason say as you know, as I don't get my platform now, I wait to just put them on. So I feature myself. Now be this.
Okay.
Now deal with harmony. That's the
Deal
enter I
with.
say. You go say I'm be like say you know sabi. But if you hear with it, they sing.
I get one very funny question I will ask. What in the be the difference between winch and witch?
Winch. Now like person wey sabi something where you sabi many things, you sabi and where witch. Na diabolical matter. You one wey dey fly for night,
Fly for night,
they go
yeah.
meeting, they go give pikin sweet, He go disappear the next morning. You know, all those winch and wish.
Okay, that's not the difference.
Now,
Okay.
from my own
For
understanding.
your understanding,
Of
I don't
pidgin
go write am
English.
for inside exam.
Okay, well, but we'll pause, go break, take the song until Lovina by Ycee waiting for with us for Inside Studio here for Naija FM 102.7. Of course, you know in our Workchop, the midday show it inside with me, the first voice. Godwin Adewayo plus Lady J. That's happened to one of Naija. And when we come out from this song, we'll talk about the video and then we will talk about other jams for the EP, and then giving us some of a chance to follow Ycee talk. We'll take phone calls, we'll take some messages for WhatsApp. I know so now they each to ask a question. So if you send message for WhatsApp now, 0908285887 0908285887. When we come out, we'll take those questions
Now
and some
what's
phone
up? Don't
calls.
they work?
If they walk back now,
I mean, I sit there persist in my own day down.
I want them they walk. We would actually want report say then say go down again today for another 6 hours.
I
You
bet
know,
go.
so,
Which
but for now, you see they walk. So
exactly what time it go off.
I will never. They talk the time, but you know, so also when they're gonna put GMT plus this and this, you need to calculate and when. Why see how far the video for this song?
Yeah, we don't shoot them actually.
When you
Wait,
go, when
we
it
never
drop?
drop them.
But we never drop them. It been supposed to drop earlier, but when we been the shoot, Pato no they around, so we got
Okay.
to wait to shoot in parts when he come back.
Okay.
So we don't shoot them. I just see the first cut like 2 days ago, so we
Okay.
can make some corrections. So hopefully by latest next week,
The video will drop.
Video go drop.
Okay, so who direct the video? We wanna shoot the video.
Unlimited LA. We shoot them for Lagos.
Okay.
I want to shoot them for Dubai, but the way they look at Dubai, I know like their weather around this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, their weather.
What
not too,
do they do the weather? Is the day too hot or what?
No, it did too mild. Like the sun is shine, but not they really hot. Like I need hot weather. You know, so
Yeah.
I'm Lagos boy.
You know, see, their sun different from our own sun.
I feel like an artificial sun.
I know
because
because
that
their
Dubai,
sun,
they-
if
you know
if
they
they're
do
hot,
that
you know
thing.
they sweat.
Exactly.
You know,
like,
but Nigerian sweat the sun
you
you
go
go sweat,
say the
you
sun they beat you.
you go stain your cloth, go give you eczema for cloth.
I need eczema for cloth.
Nigerian
but
sun.
not be bad thing now. If you they get sun and you know they sweat, it
No,
makes
that
sense
one,
now.
no.
Lady J, if you did Dubai sun, you go to feel this people should know with their own artificial
Dubai
sun.
You know they even really good for video like that.
Yeah.
I don't,
Okay.
like I do my research. Now I just say, you know what, we'll just shoot them for Lagos. And maybe the next one if we go Canada.
Go shoot the video.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll just shoot only one scene for that Canada.
That video I go there inside that
You
scene.
know all those Nigerian films where they go do and where person they travel. Now only airports and go record plane where they go like this.
Now,
Then they don't record the rest of the film.
You dey yab our Nollywood.
Inside house.
then they go put them for then they go put them for the film. They'll say
They go
short.
there abroad. They go there inside house. I know they go outside.
Then they'll say short boat in Lagos,
You know, you
Abuja,
even
Canada.
You even say they go the airport. You know, if you say some now actual graphics.
They go use
They go use
You guys all they
graphics.
go find film where they don't go airport before they say, "Oh, mama, hold up the road." Collect that clip.
Collect the clip like that. They go say, okay, so now don't you say the video will come out by next week. You understand? And of course, so but why you see you there on your own now, right? You no longer there any label again.
No, at all, man.
And so now you just there on your own as Ycee, or you get your own arrangement.
I get my own establishment where I set up the AMBT company, but you know we never.
AMBT.
Yeah,
What you know mean?
ain't nobody better than.
That don't forget say that now your
Ain't
that now
nobody better.
your payoff line. Ain't nobody better than.
Okay, ain't nobody better than. Okay.
So we never the money never did like that to sign artists like them, Mavins and
Yes,
all those
yes.
other people. But hopefully, the same way then starts where then they build step by step. I
Yeah.
believe say in the next say 10 years hopefully everything go down the structure go down there in place where we say I go down to bring more artists from like places like First Stack and all the other places where I come from. If we come through the same imprint.
Now
as
first
well.
time you grew up.
That First Stack they bought me.
I get a lot of guys on first tag. I get one guy Andy. Those the way they say that third gate side.
Third gate now lucky job with that.
That like inside the first tag, but that 30 something 70 something road that side.
It'll be 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that 3-2-1 side. You know, so that place where and then too far from that FHA field. Or first stack and all those things. I get guy with the stay that side before. And then my former church.
I never go first.
And then my former church served the second gate, communion church. We did that road, for that side, on the right hand side. If you come on, yes.
But first I don't change now.
It don't change.
First like before, if I dey tell people say when I dey school because I be go Nigerian Navy for Ojo.
Okay.
So when I dey go barracks now, I go tell them say I come from first lag, then go they look me like body.
Yes.
But now first lag now don't be like ghetto.
I mean, Porto full everywhere.
Everywhere,
don't cast.
Shop full everywhere.
Everywhere don't
Market
cast.
full everywhere. The last time where I go
Okada and
there,
everything.
last time where I go there, that Fumbi sister wedding.
Oh no.
I
That
said
one
na
a
the
wedding
same
to
first
forget.
tag. I don't just understand.
Now
the
wedding to
whole-
forget.
So
Now wedding to forget.
They guys renew the. I know now they will take do and
The
they
contract.
do something.
I be renew
I mean,
the way things been there
no,
for first
Yeah,
tag.
because even now one thing wey dem dey do for first, I want know they understand. All those block of flat now, people now don't they buy the flats, they turn out to shop.
Can you imagine?
So you fit dey your block now, you downstairs you now get
Not
hairdresser.
shop. I just
Your neighbor na hairdresser.
so he said why you say so he said this EP Love Drunk.
Yes,
it drop
sir.
on Friday. That means you don't do on all platforms now,
E
right?
dey everywhere.
People feel stream and download
Then
and everything.
stream, make them buy. Me na stream o, so I fit pay my pikin their school fees
Yeah, so
when dem come.
I said that when they go.
and this you could save ahead
Okay,
for
so
the
they
child.
save ahead. I like that.
Because things
Save
I
by-
dey
save
see,
by
you go
head.
dey see some school fees wey be say that the year na 1 million.
Now so
The year
now.
some na 5
1.8.
million. Me that time wey we dey go school, our school fees no dey pass 10,000.
Oh, now so now.
You won't even reach 10K.
Ah,
I don't know reach you.
exactly. So I don't. When I dey see some people school fees, I say I don't understand though.
The most painful part now when you come find like this intern where they and school fees are like 1.2 for university. I can't look and say by the time Papa don't pay 1.2 times 4 years, you graduate, who should work? Because Shell and Chevron and Move, you don't the downsize, they come out. Even Chevron people then gather forget the protest, they don't want me to downsize them, they don't the two downsize them. So you kind of wonder, okay, all this one where they pay million go school when I graduate, where they go?
Where the
Federal government work, they go tell you work no day. States own it, how much they even pay. So we just dey spend money send children go school, not really know what they go do with it.
No, you know what thing I go do? Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yes,
where
sir.
the enabling environment where you go open something one place, local government go come collect money, state go come collect money, federal go come collect
money
money.
le unko.
Everybody go come tell you say, may you come pay one tax, pay your tickets, pay your this,
Now
pay your that.
everybody they do Instagram business now.
Because
No
no,
go blame them.
no Agbero go come meet you for Instagram
For
say,
Instagram say.
come pay your booking and loading. Like they do for Doubtful and all those people.
You know, somebody talk say you talk say you study town planning, urban and town planning. Say which town you want plan.
Oh.
They don't plan all the town finish before you even come
You
out.
go plan all those bush we never develop.
Very soon they go dey build for express. they go build like overhead bridge, put us on top, make car they follow under.
Abi tunnel.
Let me take some questions for
Okay.
WhatsApp. Then before we ask why we want to go and then take some few calls before we let them come up for studio. So, what did they talk for WhatsApp?
Good afternoon, Oga Godwin and Lady J. How far? Ycee? How your side? Jagaban still they torturing me for real. Oga Godwin, I bet play me the remix with Bado, Jagaban, Michael from Lagos.
Okay, go stream the new EP.
Stream the new one.
Love Drunk. Okay, now the new one we talk about now, Michael. But thanks for your message.
Shout out Michael.
Ycee, how far now? Your guy DJ Imoni from Ogara, Delta State, hail you.
Oh, wow.
This your jam, Get Groove, oh, is a club banger. Ladies man, I dey miss you for Delta, oh. Lady J, welcome back from leave.
Delta, and if you send me business class ticket, my come plus book first class hotel plus my coming to visit you at envelope. I go come.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Coming to visit and thanks for coming.
Thanks for
envelope. I go come there.
All right, Ycee, wetin be your real name?
My real name na Alejo Martin Oludemilade.
Alejo Martins Oludemilade.
You don't tell us na Yoruba boy.
Yoruba boy.
Which
na.
part of the Yoruba enclave?
Abi
Lagos, Ijebu.
Yeah, I come from Lagos.
When was the last time you drink unagari? One time unagari, now the
There's a
national
big man
garri.
like me, you know they really drink. Gary.
You know, at one point Ijebu Gari, if you never drink Ijebu Gari for Nigeria, you never chop Gari.
Never
I know.
slap
I
you.
swear, if you
need
never
to drink that
drink-
guy go slap you.
Yes, so Ijebu Gary with enough sugar and groundnut.
When I did school in those days for Zaria, my guys actually did contribute money, give me, say God, if they come from this holiday, buy Ijebu Gari, come.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what they
telling
like
you,
him.
yeah, so with cold water and put groundnut inside plenty and milk.
You're in heaven.
Funny enough, me, I know they really like milk for my Gary.
I mean, I dey love the milk inside
I
Gary.
feel like milk, they confuse things.
No,
Yeah, confused.
For me, milk they enhance am. Okay, still check at Godwin Adebayo for Instagram. You go see Ycee. Lady J, they still take some questions there. If you want to drop questions, still drop your own for WhatsApp 09082858887. Don't forget to check me out at Godwin Adebayo Instagram. Me see Ycee waiting for studio. We go still take some calls. We'll take like 2 or 3 questions from WhatsApp or comments.
Okay, hello Naija FM. My name na Sleazy. Ycee I go always they love your music, but your voice on song sounds more different from the one I'm hearing now. This one sounds so gentle and calm. But with this your gentle and innocent voice, you still get relationship issues.
Ycee they sing with they find.
I dey single, I no get relationship issue like this. So anybody with they single, with they get relationship issue, na family problem with that.
The last relationship where I know hear the song until Lovina. That part of the song was inside the EP where the last relationship inspires. So
Breakfast
so-
when they serve me.
Larry breakfast. Oga Godwin and Lady J, my question for Ycee. 1. Describe yourself in 3 sentences.
3 sentences.
Ah.
Number 1, I believe I'm a charming young man. Number 2, I sabi this music thing well.
but that one will not get doubt, we know.
Then number 3, I want money I define.
Okay, for the first 2, you be charming young man actually, and you sabi music. One of the money they find. That one I know say people get they need ever agree. Say they get.
Don't go
Dangote,
see
they
the
find
They
money.
need ever agree. Say they find money. You want call 0700 1000 102. We'll throw in some calls. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Anybody but that.
Yeah, na so. How far now? How you dey? How you dey now? How
So,
everything?
what's up now? I dey.
And then wetin be your name? Where you dey call from?
That's a floating now. I love you, song, bro.
Na so. Wetin be your name? Where you dey call from?
I dey call from Ijora.
Your name, Uncle.
Hello?
Your name, Uncle.
Imi boss. My name is boss.
In a boss.
Yes, Imi boss.
Where they come
In
from?
a boss.
Musical name.
In a boss.
Yes.
Okay.
Wetin go happen if you come dey Okada?
Yes.
In Okada.
In the Okada. Hope you don't stream
You
and
don hear
download
the new
the
EP?
EP.
Hope say you don go
Yeah,
check
I
out the
got
new EP.
his new song, Until Lovina. But though, now I never stream in the EP. This is not the EP. I never know about the EP.
Okay, as you don't know,
Yeah,
now me you go
just from
check.
now, I will go get the EP. Why?
Na so.
The bank, the heat, like the Ycee bank. I love the song.
Bless, man. I appreciate you.
All
brother.
right, bro.
Oh, yeah,
Thanks
nah.
for your call. Yeah, you want to call 0700. We'll take 5 calls before we wrap up with Ycee. 0700 1000 102. Don't take caller number 1. Caller number 2. Hello, good afternoon.
Oga Godwin.
62. You know if you ask question for WhatsApp, can't they call again? Won't ask the same question now? Because now your make question they just ask now.
No, I go change.
No, you don't need to ask another question. Just hear Ycee.
Alpha, Oga 62s.
Alpha.
Alpha. Wetin dey happen now?
You know, club and partner. Your song to shake ground now.
Na so.
Now this your latest song. If you don't come out,
No, it never
No.
come out. Na next week.
why people Jagaban?
Since the way they describe Ycee, if not gay, I will say you don't fall in love. But
No.
The way we
40
dey talk
years.
that Ycee, but
Ycee
next
no
thing
know
na
they
Billy.
follow man, no.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What be your name? Where they
Hello,
come from?
Bobby.
You say?
It's Ene.
Ene Bobby.
And from where?
Yeah, so
From where?
Ene de Mami Market from Barak.
Who's Barak?
Which of the
Ajegule
barracks?
Barak for Bandri.
For Arakan Barak.
Arakan Barracks. Okay. Okay, talk to Ycee and
And Alpha
But
now.
this, I do. I like this your song. But the song just they play. I was the wine myself here.
Hey, wine and
I
well.
feel like
Wine and well.
wine now they like well.
who did there where they wine no?
Boom.
Who did there they see the whining?
You don't start.
Shana, your husband in the wine for.
Why say I beg? Get one babe. Yeah, me they say that guy made they drink. I say no, they use milk. He said like and like that. She love you for that. Today, yeah.
What is your name?
Blessings, yeah. Hello, my people. Good afternoon.
Blessings.
Good
So,
afternoon.
blessing. So you like Gary without milk?
Bless you. Like the way they drink my Gary, Avi.
Blessing. Oh, credit don't finish.
Credit don't finish.
Mm.
Don't tell them.
You don't tell them
Your
say credit don't
balance
finish.
has been
It remain 1 minute. You have 1 more minute.
terminated.
Hey, don't finish. So this one I which call now the fourth one be this
Fourth
man.
call, oh,
Hello,
fourth
good
call.
afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, what be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Sylvester.
Sylvester, where they call from?
I call you from Okoka.
From Coca or Okoka?
Okoko Akoka.
Okoka.
Orile Coca, because you say Okoka, I can't confuse you. Okay, Sylvester, talk to Ycee.
And nobody but that.
Nah, so as you talk, you know they sweet me talk and make it a big.
Ycee, I'm very happy to speak to you on a serious note.
Oh, likewise.
You know, you get what Ogagodin they ask you. You say you can't go, be like say you go to you myself can't you never see exam. But when I hear yeah,
your line they break, oh.
Na network.
But they say you say you be the wonder where in this since, but now COVID make am quiet. I hear the new jam, you enjoy the jam.
I think explain now. I come.
Yeah. You don't stream the EP.
I go if I go out now. I see the work now.
Yeah.
But my phone no dey with me.
Okay.
I go now. I dey stream am.
Yeah,
Live and direct.
Love Drunk by Ycee, okay?
Yeah.
7 tracks, 9 days, they go enjoy them.
More grace.
Thank
All
you,
right.
thank you.
Thanks for your call,
Thanks for
man.
calling. No, get better there.
Yeah, Lady J, I greet you also.
I greet you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, final caller before we wrap up with Ycee. 0700 1000 102. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
What will be your name? Where they call from?
This is Kenny, first time caller.
Hey, first time caller.
What
Collect
time-
our VIP package.
You see the siren where they carry you so?
Yeah, I'm so happy to meet you. I've been first time to my call.
You see the siren, now this siren that they carry the former army chief go house when he retire.
Okay, now.
Now this siren, and your people don't declare for you. Say, hey, you don't blow. Hey, Oh yeah, follow Ycee Yan.
Hello. Hey, how far now?
I'm fine. I just want to say hello to you. I love your son. And I'm so happy. And I'm happy with your music. I think you can see me. So I'm so happy.
Thank you. I'm happy that you're happy.
Bye.
So, may we take more message for the road at least.
Okay, like 2. We'll take like 2.
No wahala.
Like 2.
Good afternoon, Workchop crew. Please, I want to ask Ycee which record label he is. I am Gabriel.
Ain't nobody better than.
The AMBT company.
Okay,
AMBT
AMBT
na my house,
company.
na homemade.
Now you homemade. Oga Godwin and Lady J, good afternoon. Oh, you guys are doing an amazing job, and thank you so much for reading my message yesterday. I really appreciate the fact that you read my message, put a smile on my face, and for that guy, please, if you really serious, you can hook me up with him. Precious from Satellite and God will.
Okay, now that babe yesterday we say she did ready for a relationship, but she don't get anybody. And then because we come to say she fine now, all the guys come begin the same message. They didn't interested. She yellow fine. Hey, but I can say we never see her. Sometimes they say they even love her and they want marry, and I say I know they link anybody. So if you want me to link you up, well, we go think about that one.
You know Nigerian men. You know they had us to fall in love.
Very easy. You know, but I want not fall in love. Later the love go come break like
you
this.
can't realize the way we take for that time. You like you wound your leg.
Well, one more message before we. Make I ask Ycee, you get anybody where you never do song with, where you go like do song with? If I tell you it's okay, think round.
Two baba. I don't even need to think.
You never need to think and two baba.
I don't need to think. That's two baba.
Okay.
I feel say we supposed to even run one based on first act to first act connect.
Yeah.
You know, so me, I don't already reach out to him. And you know, he don't say, yeah, definitely we could do something. So based on many matters with the ground now, you know, I just did chill.
Okay.
All right.
So if outside the country, abroad. Best way you go like do song with one person.
Only one.
Okay, tell us two.
Like, this so funny because the two people who I get in mind, it be like then they get beef for themselves.
Who and who?
Drake and Kanye West. So it be like say maybe now me go unite them. Like I get that feeling for my chest. Say if I don't put their two on conference call, I just say hey una two now. Why see the talk? So when I know as una go take a line for this my jam like this because Mona said to. You understand? But based on say they are to just drop their own album, I don't want to do it now. I don't want to do it now. I want to make the beef, make it strong, make it thick well.
Okay.
So that when I go step in, it would be in
you don't listen to both albums, Donda and Certified Lover Boy.
I don't listen to Drake own. But that Donda never finish and it seems like season film.
Yeah, it's long. Some trunks, some tracks, 12 minutes, 9 minutes.
What did they talk? Wait first. What did they talk for inside song?
But I can't hear it. Funny enough, lady, when I listen about 22 or 24 tracks.
20 plus tracks.
I don't listen to about 12 or 13. You get one particular track where the track get part 1 and 2, 8 minutes.
Like two different songs, so I want part 1 and 2.
You understand? So, but I don't listen to like 12 tracks. It not tire me, even though the song now 8 minutes. But I heard if you say these days now 2-3 minutes they do song now.
Bro, person
well,
one time no day. Which time for your whole day you won't use listen to something song?
In fact,
you once you come off, it's constant. They listen to more songs.
The day why I will listen to that song now, when I go work, I go do work around my estate. They take me like between 30 to 35 minutes to walk around the distance. So I can't increase the distance. So I just put my earpiece. Now they listen to. Since that I never get that chance again. Say I won't listen. You understand? Because when I dey inside car, I don't tune back to radio and everything. So, but
I bet now when they drop album, Mona try 13, 15.
No, your guys they be.
Mona remain small for the next album.
So if you say they release too many songs, then the rest no go fit.
No people say no go sweet. Now just
no be sweet, as in the rest no go fit release their own songs because everywhere don't full.
I swear.
Okay, so Ycee, before we let you come off of studio, just remind everybody your social media handles and then what will be the final what you want to your fans and if you know some people don't talk already that guy talks they wonder since where Ycee they tango you don't come back now so your final message to your fans and then your social media handles.
To all my fans, local, international, global, universal, intergalactic, everybody really supports me, man. I get nothing but love for now. The new EP don't drop and so we go to draw. I still get more projects where I go see Pepe on with for 2022. So no stopping, no dulling. I just want to thank you for all the support and everything. I will continue to give you my best.
Okay. And then your social media handle.
Yeah, I did Instagram, I did Twitter. I am _YCEE. Facebook.com/I am YC. Yeah, nah, the ones are me. I know the TikTok. I will still open TikTok. Okay. Get one person will open TikTok with my I am YC handle. Come message me for Instagram. Say if I need this account, make I reach out to him.
He won't sell out to you.
He won't sell out to you. Imagine that kind of thing.
He won't say your name to you.
Imagine that kind of thing. My own name where I work for.
If
I catch you, bros, anywhere where you did, or when I fight, you guys, either you beat me or I beat you.
I know what happen. We go escort. They say music suite they play on 2 times, and of course, now they hear this song until every day since the past 2 weeks. It's the 3rd week now. So what we go do? We go play am again. He's escort Ycee come up for studio. Ycee go follow us down. We go dance am. No, we go dance the song.
And there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.